Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making a headboard. I'll first be starting off using this piece of foam that I got from Home Depot, and I just want you all to know if you do this project, you should probably use wood. I just used this because it was 70% off, okay? And this piece of foam is 4 by 5 feet long. And I will be using these Glacier Bay pieces of glass. It comes 6 in a pack, and I will be using 2 packs. I first started off by tracing the mirrors one by one, but then I realized that that wasn't pretty smart. So I then decided to just add all the mirrors and then create the design and then trace them. So disregard all the extra tracing marks, but I'm now adding all my mirrors on and then I'm going back to make sure they're even. Now that all my pieces are on the board, I am going in and making sure they're even by using this ruler that I got from Lowe's. And this ruler is going to help me make sure that all the spaces are at least 2 inches apart. This part required a lot of shuffling because I had to make sure that one side was even, then I had to go on the other side and make sure that was even also. After I was comfortable with the placings of everything, I traced the first square. And I'm going to be using this Gorilla Glue adhesive to glue down my mirror. And I'm still using my ruler to make sure that it is glued down in the proper place. And be sure that you are using that ruler to make sure that everything is even, because if it's not, you can still move the glass around before the mirror dries all the way. And I went ahead and glued the rest of the mirrors on off camera. Next, I got these adhesive pieces of tile from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be taking them outside and spray painting them silver. And spray painting them is optional. I just wanted them to be a little bit more silver. But I already did pre-cut the pieces, so now I'm just adding them in the spaces. I really wish I could have did mirror instead of the tiles, but I'm really not good at that yet, so. But now I'm just adding on the adhesive tile, and this part, y'all, I just showed y'all just to let you know that I did put LED strips on here, but please don't do this. Please, please, please don't do this. Next, I'll be taking this crush mirror and adding it in between the spaces, and I'm going to use my Mod Podge also. So while I have the time, let me explain to you all. I wanted to do the LED lights in between and try to figure out or see if it would look good or if the lights would still cut on after it dried. But I realized that I didn't want to give you all the wrong impression because I feel like some people will still go out and use foam instead of the plywood that I asked you guys to use. There is nothing wrong with using foam, but I just didn't want to add LED lights on and then they heat up and something happens. So this was just a random idea that I have and I didn't think it all the way through. But if you are wondering if the LED lights worked after the headboard was dry, they did. I just thought it would be really irresponsible for me to add LED lights on a plastic headboard. It's just not smart, and I don't want to be responsible for any house fires. But I will, in the future, try this technique again, but on plywood. So I will be using the LED lights again. And I did cut the cord off of the LED lights for this piece, just in case. I'm sorry I'm being so long-winded. I just wanted to make sure y'all understood what I was saying. But anywho, back to the project. Adding on my crush mirror, as I was doing before. And by the way, like, I don't think the viewers understand that we're both seeing this project being done together. Like, because I have no idea how it's gonna turn out, and neither do y'all. With that being said, y'all be curious as to how it's gonna turn out, and so do I. But thank y'all for seeing it through with me each and every time. I love y'all, glitter babes. Next, I decided to add a panel on each side of the headboard. I taped 2 foam boards together and I continued the pattern from the main headboard over to the side panel. And now I'm just using my Mod Podge. I did already attach those tiles that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm adding my Mod Podge and a little bit of glitter. And I'm not gonna keep these side panels. I just did it for the video, to be honest, and inspiration. But I will be keeping the main headboard. But if you are planning on doing this, you can also use wood instead of the foam boards. And after I completed that panel, I made another one for the other side, and I let the headboard and the side panels dry, and this is how it turned out. This headboard turned out really, really beautiful. I do need to go and detail some of the mirrors a little bit better, but I got tired of scrubbing, y'all. I should have probably covered the mirrors with masking tape, and that would have definitely helped me with the mess. But overall, I think it's absolutely beautiful. Please let me know in the comments if you like this video. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, glitter babes.